Hey everybody, welcome back to my stage 4 journey. Chris here. It's Saturday, July 2nd, and made our way down here to camp. And like I said, we did shrimp boil. I did not film the whole thing, but we did want to get some footage and show you what it ends up looking like. So here's what we ended up with. Shrimp, got some celery, some carrots, some potatoes, corn, onion, mushrooms, and some Cajun sausage. And then on the side we're gonna have a salad. We got some finger sandwiches there. Mom's over there eating some pesto bread. So we got Mom here, we got Dad here, and Karen's here, and Cheryl's over there. I know the train's coming through, so you're gonna hear that. And got Sean and Jen over there with their family. They got a bunch of family over there, and then our buddy Rob, he's hanging out down at the riverside. So it's hot, it's muggy, it's miserable. It looks like we're gonna have a storm coming through, but we're having
a great day because we're all together.
We're having a good time, and yeah, I done lost my track of thought now. So yeah, so that's where we're at, and we're getting ready to eat dinner, and I will be back here in a little bit. And we got the fireworks show coming up, but we're gonna try to probably make it down for the sunset before that. So hang in there, and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay,
Cheryl,
we ate our dinner. Dinner was great. It was very good. Everything was good. And like I said, we are going to be on our way down to watch the sunset. And we got this mess we got to deal with.
Happy 4th of July!
So, let's go for a golf cart ride down here and check the sunset out. So hold on. Huh?
You have to show your shirt.
Need to show my shirt.
Your patriotic cat's meow. Your patriotic cat's meow shirt.
She's making fun of my shirt. What's wrong with my shirt?
Cats with rockets.
That's right, I'm the cat's meow. Sunset. We got the beach put in down here.
I was able to go tubing today.
Yeah, Cheryl got some tubing in. I took a nap. I wasn't feeling real good today. I didn't sleep very good last night. But I'm feeling okay now. I laid down for a little bit. Took a pill, and then, I don't know, I laid down for about an hour, but I feel better. I'm tired, but it's a beautiful day. The humidity dropped, and there's a slight breeze now, but it's just an absolute beautiful day. And we got Sean and his family over here, Sean and Jen and her family, and Mom and Dad and Karen, and just hanging out doing the July 4th thing with my mama.
Hi.
And her Janis Joplin shirt on.
Yeah, happy 4th of July.
Yeah, she's not scared. She's not scared like everybody else.
Oh.
All right, so we're just going to hang out here for a little bit, and I'll get some pictures of the sunset, and then we're going to head up to the fireworks in a little bit, and we'll check back in up there. Okay, well that was the sunset. We're not staying up here long enough to get too much colors out of it. So once again, not a great sunset here at Sleepy Creek, but the company was better. So we're gonna go up here and get ready for the fireworks, and we'll check back in up there. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here we are up at the fireworks show. Of course it's not dark yet, but this is everybody getting ready for the fireworks. And they set them off out there in the field, and got some music going, so I can't have this going too long or we'll get copyright stuff. But yeah, this is up here where we had the fire pit that I made. And there was another video of this, but yep, that's the fire pit I made. So yeah, I can't keep the video going since they have the music playing. So, but I'll check back in when the fireworks show gets going. And I'm waiting on the ice cream truck to come by so I can get me an ice cream sandwich or a snow cone or something. But Cheryl said she wants a funnel cake. She wants a funnel cake, so she's gonna have a funnel cake, and I'm gonna have me a snow cone or an ice cream cone. So, all right, we'll check back in a little bit. We'll see you. Okay, we're getting ready to start the show here, and this is our group that we got. I hope you guys don't mind being on camera.
Oh, yeah.
No, look at that, and they're all dressed up there.
Hey, happy 4th.
But that's the plan. So we're getting ready to watch the fireworks, and I'm going to put the camera on time lapse, and we'll watch the fireworks show together. So we'll see you in a little bit. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Sunday, July 3rd, and we had an awesome time at the fireworks last night. I hope you guys enjoyed the show too. And it's a beautiful day today. It's what'd you say it was, about 80 couple?
The last time I looked, it was 81.
It's a beautiful day. There's a slight breeze, there's no humidity in the air, and we're sitting here with Mom and Pops and Dad, and we're just sitting here watching the traffic go by the river. And just a beautiful day. It's been busy all day, the tubers and the kayakers. And Cheryl went with the neighbors, Jen and Jen's family, kayaking, and they put in about 7 miles upriver, and they're going to float down here to camp. And it usually takes them about 4 hours. They'll stop along the way and just mess around and take pictures and stuff. But I did not have a good day or a good night at all. I just could not get comfortable. Ended up having to sleep sitting up most of the night, and I just did not get sleep at all. And so I slept in, and I just didn't have it in me to go kayaking. So but here we are, we're sitting here, and I'm enjoying company with Mom and Dad, and we're just gonna take it easy, and we'll go up and play bingo later tonight. I want to get up there and do that, and in the meantime we'll check back in later, so we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, so Chris wanted to be here to film the kayak trip. However, he had a pretty rough night and just wasn't available up and moving until we were ready to go. So I'll fill in and give you a start here. So we are in Hancock, Maryland, on the C&O Canal, and we are putting in our kayaks. And let's see if I can flip you or not. Okay, so Sean was our tour guide here and loaded us up. Thank you, Sean, for bringing us here, loading us up. I didn't hear a thing. And we got our little boat ramp that we're going to be putting in. And it's a pretty easy access right off the main road.
That was so sarcastic, shut up.
Why doesn't he back down? Be easier if you back down. And then we access here. So I'll give you more shots of us on the river and accessing. So I'll be back. We just missed seeing a bald eagle. He was flying upriver. Beautiful. He was huge, white tail. And we're probably about 20 minutes into our float already. Got a little breeze helping push us along. We already had to stop for a potty break. I know. Too much water and coffee. But it's a beautiful day. There's some people down here swimming and boating, and we're gonna keep paddling. Here we are, further into the float. Coming up on a little island. Generally get out, have a snack. Beautiful day. The water is crystal clear. Saw some catfish. A school of catfish. Could have just put a net out and caught a couple for dinner. Didn't bring my fishing pole. But that's always fun too, to do some fishing. back in a bit. Okay, we are at a bridge. It is a little lagoon. Let's see if I can try not to run into things. There we go. I'm gonna go back and explore area back here off of the main river. Pretty cool. And paddling and I don't want to drop you, so. Here we go.
So who's fried?
I can't make
Jen
it
is
work.
fried.
Fried?
Yes.
Like sunburnt fried or brain fried?
Oh,
or
no, sunburnt
or
fried.
both?
I didn't drink very much.
Didn't drink very much? I can't believe you're not beet red.
I had my trusty 50
Okay.
SPF. I put it on 4 times.
Oh, I'm sure she did. Probably bathed in it.
Most amazing day. It was
Oh, here's another one. Remember that one?
Is it what you needed?
Oh yeah,
It's what you needed?
it was wonderful. How was your
Awesome.
day? Did you have
It
fun?
was a nice day. I enjoyed it. I sat there and with mom and dad, and we just watched people float by.
Did you do the ice cream?
We didn't do the ice cream thing. I wasn't feeling up to that, but we went on the golf cart and tracked down the ice cream truck
Oh, good.
and got ice cream, the snow cone, and Dad had a. Well, here we are, Sleepy Creek sunset. Cheryl's here.
Beautiful day.
Jen's coming in the corner over there, but we made it to bingo. We were not any wieners. She did not have any luck at bingo, so I didn't get any filming up there, but definitely have to make it back here for the sunset. And it looks like it's going to be a clear one. We might get a little bit of color, but we'll check it out anyhow and
Enjoy.
enjoy it. So we'll talk to you in a little while. All right, well, that's another end to a Sleepy Creek sunset, and it wasn't a great one, but we enjoyed our time sitting out here, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Evening.
such a nice evening. Got to spend some time with our neighbors. We can't get away from them, but no, it's awesome having them here and enjoying that. And it was a beautiful evening. So we're gonna call it a night. I think we're all going to bed early tonight, and I'll check back in tomorrow before we head out. So I hope you all enjoyed your day here with us at Sleepy Creek. I know I enjoyed mine, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, well, it's Monday, July 4th. Happy July 4th, everybody. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I know I did, even though I wasn't feeling the greatest. I had some troubles over the weekend where I didn't get much sleep, and I just had to lay down a few times. But overall, it was a great weekend. I got to spend time with Mom and Dad and my sister a little bit. But yesterday, just sitting around hanging out with Mom and Dad was a lot of fun, and it's just very relaxing and enjoying sitting and talking with them. And so we got camp all cleaned up. It's ready to go, and we're gonna go for a short golf cart ride, and Cheryl had to go in because I said about making part of the video. She had to go in and fix her hair and put makeup on, and but she's worried about how she looked, but I said that nobody is going to worry about that. They think she's beautiful anyway. But we're going to go for a quick golf cart ride and stop and wash the golf cart off and get ready to get out of here. So we just thought we'd check in with y'all and wish everybody has a good July 4th day, and we'll check back in on you in a little bit. So we'll see you in a bit. She's dusty.
I'm holding the camera so I know he doesn't spray me.
See how much gas we use. Hardly any.
A squirrel was in there already. Comes Larry. I don't think so. It might help your mother feel better sitting on the back of it.
Yeah.
But she's not going to fall off.
I think she likes it better than riding in the back of the old one.
It is.
I like the old one's more comfortable. I don't want dirt off of it. Put that cover on there, and that cover starts blowing in the wind with a scratch paint.
Yeah. Spraying me.
I got myself right in the shoe. Those sunglasses.
Somebody lost them. Mm-hmm.
All right. You can get pretty good. I put this speed wax on the other day. It really helps. It really helps a lot.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. No hat on, huh? I'm doing it like this, huh? Just the way I'm doing
You
it?
look fine.
All right, well, hey, everybody, it's Monday evening, July 4th, and we're back at home, and we're just sitting outside here, finally getting to relax in the pool a little bit, and getting the honey over there. doing the floating thing, and we're trying to get the pool cleaned out. We don't get in it enough to really keep it spotless, but hopefully we'll start using it a little bit more. It's warming up. The water is getting to be about 90 degrees, so we like coming out in the evenings and getting in the evenings and
Watching the sunset.
well, usually watch the sunset. And
So romantic.
yeah, it is. We're sunset people. We love watching the sunset. If you haven't figured that out by now. But yeah, we're sunset people. Not much of a sunrise. I mean, I love sunrises too, but I'm not an early riser, so I don't see a whole lot of sunrises. But she was doing something in the background there, but definitely love a good sunset. And we're just turning around and see. We don't get much of a sunset up here on top of the mountain, but
We get colors.
we might get some nice colors in the sky tonight. But yeah, with all that said, I hope everybody had a good, fun, safe holiday weekend. You was able to spend it with who you wanted to. I was able to spend mine with some of the people I wanted to be with, and especially my mom and my dad and my sister and my honey over here. It was nice to spend time with family. Don't get to spend as much time with family as we'd like to. Yeah, so I really enjoyed yesterday, just sitting around and talking with mom and dad. And I missed my sister. She had to leave early to go help her son out in the middle of a move, so she went to help do that. And Cheryl went on the kayak trip, and thank her for getting some footage of that for me while I was taking a nap.
SPF 50, no sunburn.
And I think that's what she needed. She needed to get away and just unwind herself, and looked like she really had a good time. So yeah, it looked like a really fun time. So I hope you enjoyed going on that trip with her. And we had leftover shrimp boil for dinner, and that was better tonight than I thought than it was the other nights. And I think there's still just a little bit more left over. And here I didn't think we were going to have enough down there, but the food was good, but the company was better. Yeah, so that's what we had going on down there over the weekend. Coming up this week with me, I have a doctor's appointment in Chambersburg with my regular new oncologist to go over the scan results. We still have not looked at my scan result, and I think I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait another couple days. I'm going to get my mom to go with me on that. So I do want to know going in before I take mom in there. I do want to know what's going on first. So I'll look at them here probably tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, but maybe Wednesday. But yeah, got that going on this week, and finally got hooked up with Hershey. Finally got a hold with them, and they got me set up with a doctor. It's not at the Hershey Cancer Institute in Hershey. It's actually one of their offices in a little town called Camp Hill, which is actually a little bit closer for me to go. It's still going to be about an hour and 15 minutes or so to get there, hour and a half, but it won't be as far as Hershey. But it is still part of the institute. It's just at one of their offices. And so I do have that scheduled for the following week. So I got that going on, finally getting in there. And I decided I am going to wait to start the treatment until I go see them. I don't want to start this other treatment and then they want me to switch something right away. I'm just going to start fresh. I'm going to wait until I go up to see that doctor at the Hershey Institute, and we'll go from there. So that's what we got coming up, and I will keep you all in the loop in that. So that's, with all that said, I think that's about it. You got anything?
Oh, it was a great weekend.
It was a great weekend, she said.
And you were feeling better.
Yeah, I actually got some sleep last night.
Steroids are helping.
Well, yeah. Well, I wouldn't say that on Saturday or Sunday. What day did you guys go to kayaking? Saturday?
On Sunday.
Sunday. They went to kayaking on Sunday, and I didn't get any sleep at all the night before, and I just stayed in bed. I was tired. I mean, my back hurt so bad. I had to sleep sitting up, and it was miserable. So
But today was a good day.
today was a good day. You know, today was a good day. It was a great day to be alive. You know,
That's for today.
that's for today, and she's taught me to live for today, and I appreciate her for that. But that's today. So, with all that said, I'm not going to say that anymore. We're rambling on like we normally do, and I know
The sun is shining.
this video is going to be longer than my usual ones, but on these special weekends like this, they usually end up being a little bit longer. Just like taking you along and showing you what I do and how I do it, and just how I cope and how everybody else copes, and just how we're going to get through this thing. So I appreciate y'all coming along on my journey with me. I really do appreciate it. You guys don't realize how much it means to me to see those comments and those likes. And if you wouldn't, doing that share thing on Facebook, get that video out there for us.
And all the prayers.
And all the prayers are definitely appreciated too. So, all right, until next time, we will see you again on my stage 4 journey. Bye.